Hi friends! A lot of you have asked how do I organize information, and I think it's time to share my favorite tool, Readwise, with you. This is a Notion integration, meaning that using the Chrome extension, they are still testing in beta. I could sync my notes to Notion, and this is like just a gallery view. I could change it to like articles or, oh wow, this is actually Instapaper, and that's Kindle. That's amazing. They separated books by this, and then tweets. I haven't saved any tweets. So yeah, this is a really nice way to sync my front funnel, like the books I read and the notes I've taken to my brain. So here's Readwise. You could have a daily dose, and this is just like the 11 things I receive every day. If I finish them, I could keep asking for more, and just the amount that makes you comfortable. So you could say keyboard discard, but we could look at this powerful tool called Add Highlights. You can see that it's not only Amazon Kindle. You could also integrate Instapaper, Apple Books, which I don't really know. We could export Apple Books. So that's a game changer for two books I really love that I couldn't get the notes out of it, and I don't want to do copy paste. And then there's like other things like supplemental books, which means that for books you haven't read or you just don't plan to read, but you know there's good nuggets in it, you could type their book name, and then they will give you the highlights taken by other people on the web. I think there's some API that does that. I don't know how. And then yeah, that's my favorite one. And then I also love going to the favorites part, because these are the notes I've taken before, and I chose to save it, I think maybe a couple months, a year later, with favorite, right? Sometimes I just like do tag, sometimes I just write a note. I rarely do favorites, so if I do that, I trust myself that I was saving this for my future self because of some sort of reason, and either that could be turned into an article or like that could be integrated with the project I'm working on. So yeah, this is awesome. And you could also send a daily notification to yourself. So this is what I receive every day, 10 notes. I don't have to go in the app even, it doesn't disrupt my workflow. So I really recommend it, and I will put the link down below, and if you try it out and you like it, let me know.